Good morning, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne Crypto, thank you for booming. And we got a panic sell-off. Crypto under pressure. Don't act like the champ didn't tell you to look out for this one. Don't act like the champ didn't tell you to look out for this one. This is what I was expecting for the weekend. We're a few days late here, about 3-4 days late, but here we are, 19K. We just touched 18,900. A panic sell-off on the markets out here. It's getting obliterated. I can't even talk. I'm getting obliterated over here. Shout out to the Meta Maniacs. Let me know what coins you're picking up out there, if any. Shout out to Joey, Miss Archie, and the rest of the boomers. Why don't I ever get the alerts? Joey, they don't want me to win, Joey. They don't want me to win out there. I've been shadow banned on the network for I don't know how many years now. Champ, I stopped a foreclosure saved homeowner on Tuesday. Shout out to you, Miss Archie. She stopped a foreclosure, saved a homeowner on Tuesday. Shout out to her. She's doing the real estate movements. I see you, Miss Archie. Good morning to you. Guys, it's a bloodbath out there. $19,106 on the Bitcoin. And we have dropped below the support. You can see my chart over here. It's looking ugly. It's looking ugly, falling off a cliff. And here we are, way below the supports that I had drawn back several months ago. But I still stand by my predictions that I gave some time ago. I said, guys, we can hit 10K over here. 10, 12K, 9K. It's all on the table. It's all on the table. Now, every day that we stay closer to 20,000, I believe that, maybe the bottom could be, 15, 16, but it's still too early to tell. We need to win, champ. Yeah, we do. We do. Well, we got to be patient. Sometimes the winners got to be patient and stay here training for that championship day. And right now, it's not game time right now. It's not game time for BTC right now or the cryptos or the greater markets. The stocks are getting clapped up over there and the 10-year yield has dropped, which signals that a lot of cash is running into safety in the larger economy, guys. So that's what's going on. We may see the 10-year drop under 3. I was listening to Manarino this morning. It's the facts, Jack. So it's a bloodbath out there. So hopefully you got some cash on hand, stables on hand, you got some flow on hand, and you're hustling out there. I've been telling you, short form content online is booming compared to the long form content. And if you don't have something to sell, if you don't got an affiliate link, if you don't got some sort of a license, make sure you're hustling out there and providing value, adding more layers, and doing something, because just buying crypto is not going to cut it right now. It's a great time to buy, hodl, and stack and pack, but that's not gonna feed the babies today. Maybe you'll feed the babies mid to long term, but it's not gonna feed the babies today. So you gotta make sure you do something and make a move. Shout out to everybody that's checking out my links. Their Champagne Gains on the links tree. Check out all my links down below. I got the link to the AI video creator tool. Well, you just give the AI a script and it makes the video for you with stock footage and narrates it for you. Now I'm using it every day. So shout out to those that are creating content with that. Buy crypto, sell houses. Shout out to Miss Archie as well. She's out in the real estate game too. The real estate game is probably going to get under pressure as well as the interest rates continue to rise. But there may be some opportunity. There's opportunities in the trenches, guys. So make sure you're selling something, that you're offering value, and that you're continuing to keep your eyes on the markets. Let's check out what's really shaking and baking as the BTC price gets obliterated out there, guys. 18,949. Let me just hit refresh. We got Ether skirting around $1,000 right now. BNB at 208. Are these the updated prices? Because I feel like CoinGecko right now is getting slammed. Let me go back to TradingView. Kaboom. Let's see if there's any gainers. TRX is up against ETH. SHIB is up against ETH. Mover, DOT. But this is against ETH, nothing against the US dollar. I think we're going down to 10K, says Joey. It's a possibility. I've been saying this for literally months now. While everybody know, champ, it's still bullish. And I said, guys, I'm positive. I'm the positive crypto maniac. But I've been around town. I've been around these crypto streets. I've been deep in the trenches with the top soldiers in the war, with the top decorated 5-star generals. I've seen this play out. I told you guys that it needs to drop a little bit and trade sideways for months before the trend can change. And it hasn't even traded sideways for more than a few days. Okay, we need sideways trading for months. I agree with Joey. It's a possibility it gets slammed over here to 10K. And watch out now. It could go even lower. Okay, don't act like we didn't see 6K Bitcoin sometime around when the Rona hit. It's not like how it wasn't that long ago. So, be prepared. Make sure you have some dry powder. But nevertheless, I think it's okay. It's a good strategy right now to DCA. We're getting close to the bottom. Let's say that we do go to 10K and you did pick up at 19. If you're DCAing for the long gun right now, and things go back up to 50, 60, or maybe even new all-time highs, it's not going to matter if you got at 19 or at 16. It's not. It's really not. So, in my opinion, the DCA should increase now that we're around 20K, and now that we're, even more that we're under 20K. 20K is where it's at. But I was saying this yesterday, even at 21, 20, somewhere around there, it's okay. I think it's okay to scoop up. And if it does dip to 15 or even 10, I don't think it's going to be that long. I don't think it'll hold on that long, that low. I think it'll go right back up to, maybe 15 or 20. So it seems to me like it might consolidate at 20 for some time after it breaks down lower than 19. But let's see. Shout out to Always New. I see you. Good morning. Kaboom. I don't think we'll go lower than 15K. 99% people being so bearish and calling for so low is a sign of bottom is closed, says Lucian. Hopefully you're right. Hopefully we don't have to bear that pain. But everything is on the table. But yeah, 15K is not too far from, I said somewhere between 9 and like 13 could be the bottom. And it's basically the 85% retrace. It's something that we've talked about even before Richard started talking about it. It's not that, we were ahead of the game or anything. Is that it's not only we were talking about it or Richard. It's like people that have been around for a while know about the 85% retrace. The 85% retrace is common here in crypto. We've seen BTC do it. So, that would take it to about $9,000. So, is it going to be exactly 85? Will it be 80, 86? I don't know. It'll be somewhere around that range. We're getting close. I think we're getting close. Hopefully we don't go under 15K, but, everything's on the table. Some exchange stopped their withdrawal. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Some exchanges have stopped their withdrawal. Apparently, the main big dog over there from FTX Exchange was tweeting yesterday that some other exchanges might be insolvent already, and you don't even know. So he's fudding. He's fudding out there. He's trying to buy the dip as well. This is opportunity right now. This is opportunity. If you haven't had the opportunity to boom in crypto, if you feel like you're late to the game, right now is a good time to start trying to get into the place. Okay, you don't have to rush either. It's right now. It's a good time to start the boot camp. Start the boot camp, and you'll have some time for training here with Yoda and the rest of the Skywalkers. Lucian says, I don't think we'll drop the same percent as before because all-time high was 3.5x from 2017 top. In the past, that was way higher. Yeah. So, what you're saying is less volatility. Perhaps. And maybe this next all-time high is not 3.5 times 65 either. Maybe it's only twice. It's not, we get a 2x. Now, BTC's been around for a while. It's not going to 10, 30x every single time. But yeah, 15, 12, that's when you're looking at BTC in the long term, I think the price is not really going to matter. You know, if you were charged $15 or $12 for your sandwich 3 weeks ago, I mean, you know, are you going to really remember it? You know, you maybe, but you know, if it was your last 15, but you know, after a while, it's close in range. It's close in range. Now, if you bought 100 sandwiches, that's a different story, but you know what I mean. $10K or $50K BTC. It's not like we weren't at $40,000 BTC just in May. In May, look at this. In May, we were at $40,000 BTC in May. We've already dropped 50% in just 2 months. In just 2 months. So we've been on a downtrend since the beginning of the year. And you can just see that here. Since basically January, December. Here's the top, clear in the top. Though the top was November 10th. We've been on the downtrend since November. And just lower lows, lower lows. So retracing back here to before the run, because we had a double top, if you haven't seen there. We could go back. We're getting close. We're getting close. I think this is where I thought that we would go back to, around here for sure. And then again, the next support would be where we started from, which is 10,000. Where we were at just a couple years ago. October 2020, we were around $10,000. And that's when the bull run started. We had a double top, and now we're retracing back almost all the way. So yeah, I think we're getting close. We're getting pretty close to the bottom. Will we lose another 50% here? I don't know, but we could lose another 30 to 40% here from 19,000, which would bring us somewhere, you know, maybe, you know, 13, 14,000. Trade sideways for a little while. Or maybe, you know, maybe we take another dip, it gets bought up quickly, and then we're back at 17, 18, or just right below 20,000, and we consolidate there for a while. I don't know. But look at this. There is no consolidation here. There has been no consolidation. Now, if you go before the bull run, look at how much consolidation there was before this bull run. It was sideways trading for years. Sideways. Look at this. Sideways. And then, boom, it takes off. We got to see some sideways trading before we take off again. This thing is still falling. Let's go back to the old bull run, or the last bull run, the 2017. And bear with me, guys. The trading view runs slow when I'm live streaming. And look how little the last bull run looks. Zoom in a little bit there. So basically, we had a double top in that run too. And then it fell pretty hard. So this is Corona. 4,000, I think 3,000. And then consolidated. So that's the last bull run. Looks small compared to this one, right? We'll see. Monthly candle will open tomorrow. Very interesting. Yeah, I think it's bearish, man. It's bearish. It's bearish now. And so is the legacy markets. They're bearish as well. So I'm not expecting anything now for the short term. I think there will be more blood, and that's just what it is. And we're just going to have to wait. Damn, I haven't heard you in 2 years. Your voice changed, says Russell. I don't know. It's the same champ, the same kaboomer. Maybe your ears changed. Have you checked them out? Kaboom. Welcome back to Russell. Always New, Lucian Bobach, and the rest of the meta maniacs here in the box. I see you boomers. Always New says no, same voice. Yeah, they probably are listening to somebody else. I don't know. It's the same champ. I'm here every single day. It's that the algorithms are hating on the kid. I've been telling you guys. I'm here every day, guys. Every single day I'm booming. I invented the kaboom in crypto. Okay, that I can say with a 1,000%. Kaboom, the boomers, that's me. There's no one, the voice, that's me. Everybody else saying kaboom or the voice, that's a complete ripoff. I need my royalties today. So you guys got it loud and clear out there. There's no question about the kaboom. No question. Before boomers became a meme. You've been out here for 5+ years, guys. I might be your crypto father. Although I don't want to be, I might be your crypto daddy. I may have birthed you or gave life to you, a women birth, but you know what I mean. I may have gave you life here in these crypto streets. I appreciate all you guys. Guys, make sure you tap into the Discord. It's been a little slow here in the Cords and in the rest of the social networks because crypto's down. But it's still open. We're still there. And I encourage you guys to join the Discord. We share leads there. I do some giveaways. And once we consolidate, we'll ramp up more of the NFT drops. Some of them, most of them have been free. Miss Archie needs a crypto daddy. She's been out in these crypto streets. She's in the crypto trenches. In the real estate trenches, too. Shout out to Miss Archie. Tap into Miss Archie. Miss Archie, you got a YouTube channel? If you're hustling, you may need a YouTuber. You may need a TikTok. I'll tell you, I thought the TikTok was for the young gunners. But apparently not. Champ, did you use Thorchain Exchange before? Yes. Yes. A few times. And when I first started using it, I tried to provide liquidity, and I lost like a few BNB, which at the time could have been like 1,000 or something. I don't know. But then after that, I used it again, and it was okay. I swapped BTC for ETH or ETH for BTC. I don't know exactly what I did, but it worked. And yesterday, I talked about Thorchain. Make sure you check out my videos. Or maybe I'll maybe I should run back some shorts during the live stream just to, like, you know, reuse my content. Let me see if I could do that. I'm going to run that video. It's only like 30 seconds, so I'm going to play it. I'm going to do my own commercial. Just play my own content. It's this one. Top 5 cryptos to buy now. 2022 crypto crash. Kaboom! The crypto markets have crashed. They fell off a cliff. There's opportunity. Here's the top 5 cryptos to buy now and get rich. Data Network and T-Fuel. This is a decentralized streaming service. Watch, stream, refer friends, and earn more crypto. Thorchain, Rune, a decentralized cross-chain liquidity network. Cardano, a sleeping giant, an alternative to Ethereum. We still haven't seen its full potential. Phantom, another ETH alternative, smaller cap than Polygon and AVAX. And of course, everyone needs Ether, and more bits. Tune into the jam for more live. Kaboom! Kaboom! The crypto markets have kaboom. I think it was kind of loud. Converted some USDC to BTC so fast. Yeah, and you could do it either way. Yeah, it's you could do it. It works, and I'm telling you guys, it's one of those that I think is still undervalued. I've been on Thor and Rune for a while. Bitcoin versus altcoin dominance reversing. Let me go ahead and play this video too. This is the video I did with the AI bot. I'm telling you guys, whatever content that you want to create, you just give it to script and it'll just make a video for you. So this Like, you could sit here and just make 5, 6, 10 videos a day and crank it. And not only that, also promote the AI video because it has a referral link. And you can get passive income like that too. Guys, let's go. Let's make moves. I'm going to play this one. This is the one I did yesterday with the AI.
What do you want?
What a job that I don't hate. What did you say?
It was only recently that altcoins were suffering even more than Bitcoin due to upheaval from multiple major projects including Terra and Celsius. Now, however, the tables are turning. Bitcoin dominance has reversed after spiking this year, leading to suggestions that altcoins could be the place to be in the short term. Bitcoin dominance is moving down strongly. The advantage lies with altcoins right now, popular Twitter account BTC Fuel summarized. After reaching an 11-month high of 48.36% on June 11th, Bitcoin's share of the overall crypto market cap has declined to 43.46% at the time of writing, a noticeable shift in under 3 weeks. For veteran trader Peter Brandt, Bitcoin's relative strength versus alts could have more significance than meets the eye for bulls. This chart could be the big tell, he argued about the market cap dominance data. A decisive close back above 50% would be huge positive. Others are, meanwhile, confident that despite the latest reversal, it is not altcoins' time to shine in any meaningful way going forward. According to venture founder, holding BTC is still an investor's best bet. Normal bear market narrative altcoins bleed more heavily Bitcoin, trading Sweet Deacon Trader added in separate comments on the latest dominance action. However, for the last 2 weeks altcoins, generally, have outperformed. So either, this time is different or this won't last. Dominance remains in 40 to 48% range. This video was created with AI. Check out Champagne's links below to find out how I can create videos for you based on any text script. Kaboom!
Kaboom. So that's an AI video. Just give it the script and boom, it starts generating videos for you. And then you could edit that, whatever it generates or not. It's pretty impressive. It's free to use. I think it gives you about 4, maybe 5 videos for free. And after you've created more than that, you got to pay for it. But it's definitely worth it. I think it's like $300 for the year for the standard version, and there's like an extra saucy version for $500. I got it. So check it out. So the link is right here. Pictory AI. Also check out Coin98, the DeFi platform. This one's pretty good. I did a review on it. And check out all my links here, the Champ on all networks. You can tap into everything. The YouTube, the Discord, the TikTok, the Coin98, Theta TV. I was talking about that too. You could jump on Theta and you could start earning just for clicking on videos too. This is a good time to stack up the little coins. If you get these free coins and stuff like that, get it and hold them because you never know when the next run comes out. Here's the link to the AI video creator tool, to Canva as well. This is a free photo editor. If you want to do thumbnails or whatnot, this is easy to use. The new Twitch. I opened up a new Twitch account. The Medal of Honor NFT. This is the first and only NFT drop that we've done. This one is going to get perks. Okay? And they're going to get first dibs on the Gold Spades NFT mint. Then we got the Metacox NFT. These are done. The Metacox are done. We haven't done the drop because, look what happened to the market. But I'm ready and locked and load to drop the Metacox. And then, of course, the D-Live. And I should put more links up, but they're all there. Make sure you tap into them. I use everything that I share here. Someone cry on Twitter, 60K turned to 5K. Someone crying on Twitter. Yeah, I mean, that's one thing I'm not really on. There's a link there to the Metacox Twitter. But, the champ himself, I know there's another Champagne Crypto. That's not me. And I'm focusing more on, obviously, YouTube, TikTok, Discord, and Twitch, but I don't see much going on Twitch right now. Let's see what's up on CoinDesk. First mover, America's BTC down 40% in June. SEC rejects Grayscale's BTC ETF application. Facts or feelings, Bitcoin allocation makes sense even in nasty bear markets. What does that mean? I got a rainbow. If you run the numbers, Bitcoin still belongs in a financial advisor's investment toolbox. Well, I don't need to be convinced of this. That's obvious. Come on. That's about it. I don't see much else going on. Guys, make sure you hit the gym. I pulled up today. I hit some squats. I worked up to on this. You know what? Be honest with you. I don't feel as strong on my squats than I do on my deadlift. I don't feel as strong on my squats than I do on my deadlift. I worked up to 2 plates and just a 10, which is 245, which is not light, but it's not by all means heavy. I think my PR for squat is 3 plates and a 15, which would be maybe 340 or something like that. I'm not sure. Well, anyhow, make sure you hit the gym. Make sure you're eating right. And make sure you check out all the links that I have posted below. Make sure you go hard, guys. If you're looking for ways to earn money online, make sure that you tap in, get your social media on point, get some referral links on point of things that you actually use that bring value, and go hard. Share it. Talk about it. Also make good content and try to tap in with the audience. And if you'd like to know more, go into the Discord. I'm always available. Well, not always, but I'm usually available to respond, and I'll respond to everybody in the chats and whatnot. So tap into the Discord. The link's down below. Shout out to Always New, Miss Archie, and the rest of the boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest.